Hello friends, welcome back to HSA English classes. Today we are going to learn the play A Doll's House by Henrik Ibsen. Previous year question from this play: name the dance practiced and performed by Nora in a doll's house. Answer is Tarantula. Now let us learn the characters of the play. Nora Torvald, wife of Torvald, mother of three. Torvald Helmer, Nora's husband, a newly promoted bank manager. Dr. Rank, a rich family friend. Christina Linde, Nora's old school friend, widowed. Nils Krogstad, an employee at Torvald's bank. Single father, a supposed scoundrel. The three children, Ivor, Bobby, and Emmy. Anne Mary, Nora's former nanny. Helen, the Helmer's maid, and the potter who delivers a Christmas tree at the beginning of the play. Now let us learn the summary of the play. Nora Helmer, a young woman, enters her house carrying packages. It is Christmas Eve and a porter delivers a Christmas tree. Nora's husband, Torvald, emerges from his study and greets her. She shows off the Christmas gift she has brought for their children, and although Torvald chastises her for spending too much, he is also very affectionate towards her, calling her his little skylark and little squirrel. Mrs. Linde, who hasn't seen Nora for 8 years, tells her that she had an unhappy marriage and is now a widow hoping to find a job. Nora promises her that she will ask Torvald to give her a job. Nora then reveals a secret she has been hiding. When she and Torvald were first married, she borrowed money in order to finance a trip to Italy that was necessary to save Torvald's life. As he had grown ill, she has paid off the debt in installments, secretly taking jobs and saving money from her allowance from Torvald. Krogstad enters, and Nora tells the children to go to their nursemaid and not tell anyone about Krogstad's visit. It is revealed that Krogstad is the person who Nora borrowed money from. He explains that he is being fired by Torvald and that Nora must stop this happening or else Krogstad will tell everyone her secret. Act 2 begins the next day on Christmas Day. Nora, alone on stage, worries about her fate. Mrs. Linde arrives to help Nora sew her costume for a fancy dress ball that is being held on Boxing Day. Nora is dressing as an Italian fisher girl and plans on dancing the tarantula. Torvald enters and Nora tries again to convince him not to fire Krogstad. However, the harder Nora tries, the angrier Torvald gets, and he eventually decides to send Krogstad's notice immediately. Dr. Rang arrives and is depressed, telling Nora he will die soon. She flirts with him and seems to be considering whether to ask him for money. He reveals that he is in love with her, and Nora gives up the idea of asking him for help. Dr. Rang leaves and Krogstad returns, asking if Nora had told Torvald her secret and telling her his ambition to eventually run the bank. He leaves a letter explaining the secret debt and forgery in Torvald's letter box and exits. The act ends with Nora declaring that she has 31 hours left to live. Act 3 opens on the next day. Krogstad comes to meet Mrs. Linde at the Helmer's house while they are at the ball. It is revealed that the two of them once loved each other, but that their relationship ended when Mrs. Linde chose to marry a richer man because that was the only way to support her family. Mrs. Linde suggests that now that their respective spouses have both died, she and Crockstead marry so that she can take care of his children and they can live a happier life together. Crockstead is thrilled and offers to ask for his letter to Torvald back as he now regrets his earlier actions. Mrs. Linde, however, tells him to leave it, saying that the truth must come out. Torvald discovered the letter from Krogstad. He is furious with her, saying she has ruined his life and that although they will keep living together to preserve appearances, they cannot be happy and he won't let her raise their children. The maid brings a note from Krogstad saying he no longer wishes to blackmail Nora. The IOU is enclosed. Torvald rejoices, saying he is saved and that he forgives Nora. She explains that she has realized that she can no longer live with Torvald. Nora, resolute, says she must leave. Torvald is left alone stage in despair. The play ends with the sound of the slam of the front door as Nora exits. Thank you.